In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your customer notifications in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply want to optimize your notification settings, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that your customers receive timely and relevant updates. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Shopify store. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, look for the My Store section. This area serves as the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your store. From here, you'll be making your way to the Settings area. To do this, simply locate the Settings button, usually found towards the bottom of your admin interface. Clicking on this option opens up a new page with multiple settings categories accessible for your store. Next, focus your attention on the Notifications section. Notifications are crucial for keeping your customers informed about their orders. So, once you see the link to Notifications, click it. You're now in the domain where all your current notification settings are housed. Here, you'll notice a variety of options, all designed to help you customize how and when your customers receive information. Now, it's time to delve into the specifics by selecting Customer Notifications. This is where the real magic happens, as you configure the exact notifications that will be sent to your customers. Upon clicking, you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can edit or preview. One important notification type you'll encounter is the Order Invoice. Click on the link that takes you to this section. It's a vital part of the customer communication process because it details the products your customers have bought. Once you're there, you might want to ensure that everything looks perfect before your customers see it. To do this, click on Send Test. This option allows you to preview how the invoice will appear to your recipients, helping you check for any errors or discrepancies. Remember, presentation is key when it comes to customer loyalty and satisfaction. After you're satisfied with the order invoice, you might want to explore other notifications. Return to the Notifications section where you can once again click on Customer Notifications. It's here that you'll not only find the order invoice, but also other essential notifications like Order Edited. Click on Order Edited to explore and potentially modify this template as well. This notification keeps your customers updated on any changes made to their initial order, which helps in maintaining transparency and trust. With these steps, you've now successfully configured your customer notifications. This setup will ensure that your customers always stay informed, strengthening their experience and, ultimately, your store's reputation. By meticulously attending to these details, you'll set a solid foundation for effective communication and enhanced customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Shopify store notifications effectively.